What's up, everybody? It's Jared from We Smoke Meat TV and Hook Shrubs and Spices. And today, this day right here, dog, we gonna make some smoked bacon and jalapeno macaroni and cheese. Let's do this. We gonna make some smoked chorizo macaroni and cheese. Ay caramba. Let's do this. All right, before we get cooking, we gotta make sure we're nice and clean. So let's put on our chef aprons. Okay, great. So so I did a nice little post telling people to fall in love with some smoked bacon and jalapeno macaroni and cheese I made for one of my great neighbors after doing a nice good deed for us while we were out of town. So I decided to go ahead and make a video post about how to make that. And so we're gonna do bacon and jalapeno macaroni and cheese. We'll also do some chorizo, jalapeno macaroni and cheese, whatever it is. I just can't talk right now. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a half batch since it's just gonna be me and my son eating it. So I'm gonna use two of these, what do you call them? Like, I don't know what they're called. What are these pans called? Anybody know the name of these pans? Is it in there? Loaf pans, yes, loaf pans. Instead of using this larger pan, so like you probably use this pan for your whole family, I'm gonna use this just for me and my son. And yeah, but if you have a bigger family, you could double up this recipe and you can use this larger pan. This pan is, just your regular aluminum pan you want to get at the store. And the reason why I'm using aluminum pans instead of like my nice pans that I use to cook and bake with is because you're gonna be putting this on the smoker. It's probably gonna get charred black or gray with the smoke from your smoker. That's really hard to get out of a regular pan. Trust me, I have several that are stained with that smoke stain. But these, after you use them, you finish them, toss them in the trash, and they're done. So first things first, you got to get your ingredients at the store. After you get your ingredients at the store, you got to warm up the smoker and get everything prepped. So I want you to set your smokers to 275, 300 degrees, somewhere in that range, depending on how hot you want to do it, how quickly you want your food to smoke and cook. So I generally like to stay at 300, but 275 ain't bad either. So this is what I'm cooking. Okay, so here's what you'll need for the bacon and jalapeno macaroni and cheese. Macaroni, about 12 ounces, give or take. You'll need a quarter cup of flour, quarter cup of butter. You'll need onions. I like to use white onions, sweet white onions, sweet yellow onions, jalapeno, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of cheddar, or any other kind of cheese you like. I like sharp cheddar. Bacon, thick cut, only way to go. You're gonna need a cup and a half of milk, chives for garnish, and that smoking sweetness. For the smoked chorizo and jalapeno macaroni and cheese, you'll need about 12 ounces of macaroni. You'll need a quarter cup of flour, quarter cup of butter, onions, some of that yummy Hook Shrubs smoky burn, because you want this spicy. You gotta have it spicy. You'll need a cup and a half, give or take, of milk. You can use whole, you can use skim, you can use, 1%, whatever you want to use, but skim is like water, so don't use skim. You're gonna need 4 ounces of cheese, whatever flavor cheese you like. This time it's sharp cheddar. 4 ounces of cream cheese. You're gonna use some jalapenos, spicy or not. You can use fresh, you can use pickled. You're gonna need some cilantro, as well as chives for the garnish. Okay, so after you have your smoker rolling and you got all your ingredients, now you just need some utensils. So here's what we're gonna use. Mostly you can add in other stuff if you like, but here's what we'll use. 2 pots. Larger pot for the macaroni, smaller pot for your roux that you're gonna make for the cheese. Gonna need a whisk. Gonna need a big spoon, big mixing spoon, yeah, just like that mixing spoon. You're gonna need a sharp knife. I said a sharp knife. You need a sharp knife. All right, can we get a sharp knife already? There we go, nice sharp knife. How about 2 sharp knives? Nice, yes, 2 sharp knives, at least 2 sharp knives. I think that's all we need. We may need some other stuff, but for now we need a sharp knife. Did I say a skillet? I'm quite sure I said skillet. So yeah, you'll need a skillet. All right, guys, so before you get down to the nitty gritty and be able to put this thing on the smoker, there's a little bit of prep work that you need to do. So you'll need to go ahead and get your water rolling, your water boiling, I guess, if you will. For the macaroni and cheese, you'll need to dice up some of the cheese. You'll need to dice up and chop up the jalapenos, the chives, the cilantro, not the butter, not that, don't chop the butter. Anyway, you need to do a little bit of that. Also, you'll need to take out that chorizo, chop up that bacon, and go ahead and cook them up. And the way I like to cook them up is sauteing them along with the onions, along with the jalapenos. So, you know, they get nice and crispy and they get that other flavor imparted to them from the jalapeno, from the onion. So it has a nice, complementary flavor added to it. And you pretty much don't even have to season them at that point because they're seasoned with the vegetables. So let's hop to it. I have jalapeno in my eyes. My eyes are burning. I must have touched the jalapenos and then touched my eyeballs. That's what you would say if you actually touch jalapenos and then touch your eyeball. Make sure not to rub your eyeballs after you cut them jalapenos. I mean, it's just caution, right? Cautionary tale. It's happened to me before. It can happen to you too. I was looking over there. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, now it's time to cook the bacon, the onion, and the jalapeno. All right, guys, now it's time to make the roux. What is roux, you ask? Roux is basically a combination of flour and butter melted and whisked up together with a little bit of milk, and that sort of serves as the base of your cheese sauce, if you will. Some people like to throw eggs in there. I don't like that because I don't like it, the chunkiest way that it could be, which eggs would probably make it a little more chunky unless you mix it in pretty well and cooked it at lower temperature, I guess. But yeah, that's basically some French word for sauce, butter, and flour sauce. Okay, guys, now comes one of the most delicate parts of the recipe. We get to mix it all together before we put it on the smoker. Watch this. Guess what? It's time to put it on the smoker. Here we go. All right, here we go. We'll put them right in. We're gonna want to put these maybe at the top of the smoker, so it'll get the most possible smoke while it's in there. All right, guys, it's been about an hour and a half or so, give or take a couple minutes, and I pulled that mac and cheese off. Oof. Just wait. Okie doke, guys. Got my son Jackson here as my taste tester.
Haircut.
With a new haircut. New hair, who dis? Anyway, okay, enough modeling. Anyway, he's gonna be my taste tester. So yeah, here we go. So I pulled it off after about an hour and 15 minutes or so, give or take. Hour and 30 minutes. So I'm gonna garnish with a little bit of chives on the bacon jalapeno macaroni and cheese. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of chives and cilantro on the chorizo macaroni and cheese that's done with the smoky burn.
You had to say it in a Spanish accent.
Yeah, that's the only way you say chorizo. You say chorizo like chorizo. Anyway, I'm going to do the smoky burn was used on the chorizo one, and the smoke and sweetness was used on the bacon jalapeno one. Now, there's a couple of different things. Oh wait, here we go. The smoky burn was used on the chorizo one, and the smoke and sweetness was used on the bacon and jalapeno one. Now, you can actually find our seasonings through the link on this video down in the comments section, or excuse me, down in the description section, or you can go to our Instagram or Twitter at Hooks Spice Rubs. And hit the link there. It'll take you to the Etsy page where we sell. You can go on to Etsy.com, search for Hooks Rubs and Spices. You can go on our Facebook page, or you can go on hooksrubs.business.site. Find the link to get to our site. Also, you'll see some information on there from our two sponsors. One is Landman Smokers. They're a company out of Georgia, big time in Europe and in America. So you guys check them out. Great products. That's the smoker that I use. And then also ThermaWorks. ThermaWorks. All right.
Whatever.
ThermaWorks thermometers. We use their thermometers, great thermometers. And guess what? I'll be doing a giveaway soon. So stay tuned to my Instagram for that. Stay tuned to this page for that. So you can
I know this is a sponsor, but they're like the best in America. Like, they're really good.
Most accurate thermometers in the world. Anyway,
in the world,
yeah, I guess in the world, I guess. For the chorizo one, I'm gonna use this Cholula hot sauce. I love it in its chipotle flavor, so it has a little extra smokiness. But when I used to work in Papacito's Mexican Cantina, we used Cholula as one of the hot sauces that they gave customers if they wanted. They're really good. So I'm gonna drizzle a little bit on top, and then also, yeah, we're gonna hit it with the garnish. All right, stay tuned. There's my daughter Savannah. She's there. She's actually gonna help me with the garnish. So go for it.
These onions are good. Should I do it on that one?
Sure. Yeah. A little cilantro on here. A little bit of onions. Boom. We're good. All right, guys, now is the time where we actually scoop through. So here's the scoop test. Ooh, nice little crust on top.
Yo. My mouth.
Nice and ushy gushy. I'm liking that. So that's the chorizo jalapeno. And then some the scoop test on the bacon and jalapeno. Oh, nice little crust on top. And then here we go.
This should be on one of those satisfying video sounds.
Man, all right. Now me and the taste tester are about to attack. Okay, here we go. So let's put a little taste on here. All right, good deal. Here's the bacon jalapeno macaroni and cheese.
Hey.
Yummy do.
I ain't eating off your plate, man. I don't want to eat off your plate.
And here is the chorizo and jalapeno macaroni and cheese. Look at that ooey gooey goodness.
I'm gonna try some, but I don't really like this kind of stuff.
Are you normally an adventurous eater?
No.
Okay, here we go. Here's a taste test from the kiddos.
That's good.
Okay, just eat the bacon one then. What do you think, Jackson?
I'm about to jump out of this window. This is so good.
Okay.
What do you think?
I don't normally eat spicy stuff. This
Try the other kind.
probably for you is not spicy, but
Try the other kind.
it tastes spicy to me.
The other kind
Is it good though? Is the
Yeah,
question.
it tastes really good, but it's just a little
Try the
spicy.
other kind. The other
I'd eat
kind.
this for dinner.
What?
I'd eat this for dinner
Ooh.
if you made it. I need milk.
Try the other. Bro, I'm eating this up.
Okay. All right, here's the chorizo and jalapeno one. Nice little kick of spice. Ooh. Yeah, you can feel it at the end. Little great. All right. Here's that bacon and jalapeno one. Nice good size scoop. Bacon through and through. Nice little jalapeno kick. I like it. Great. Okay guys, thanks for watching. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe this video just down there somewhere. Like and subscribe while the kids are eating here. I'm having a nice little nibble.
The heat.
The heat is nice. Yeah, like and subscribe. Definitely check out our Instagram. Check out our Facebook. Check out our site, hooksrub.business.site. All right, until next time, #WeSmokeMeat.